ஹாய் ரஞ்சித் அண்ணா, ஐம் சாரி லேட் ஆகிடுச்சு இந்த வீடியோ அனுப்புறதுக்கு. ஏன்னா எனக்கும் ஆஃபீஸ் ஒர்க் கொஞ்சம் இருந்தது, அதுக்கப்புறம் டைமே கிடைக்கல. ஸோ குவிக்லி டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறேன். லோவர் பேக் பெயினுக்கு நீங்கள் கேட்ட ஃபியூ ஆஃப் தி ஆசனாஸ் அது நம்ம இப்போ பண்ண போகிறோம். அண்ட் விச் வில் டெஃபினெட்லி ஹெல்ப் யூ இன் ரிலீவிங் யுவர் லோவர் பேக் பெயின். அந்த பிஞ்ச் மாதிரி பெயின் சொன்னீங்களா, இட் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ ரிலாக்ஸிங் யுவர் tailbone basically. So before starting any asanas or warm up mari eduthukanga before you do anything. So you can normally sit in relax posture because namba innikku edum standing exercise mari edum panna poradilla. So you can sit and do your warm ups. Just close your eyes and inhale, exhale for 3 breaths. Once you're done, rendu kaiyum just do a warm up. 1 2 3 4 5 reverse. 5 4 3 2 1. Go for neck rotation. Inhale when you go up, exhale when you come down. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Reverse. Exhale, inhale, exhale very slowly, and exhale. Just relax. Slowly open your eyes and kaiyum on your shoulders. Touch both your elbows. Inhale, open. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Reverse. Exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale and exhale. Relax. Okay, now let's go to the main asanas for relaxing your tailbone basically. So moon panna porom. First one enna, just very gently lie down on the mat. Panittu bring both your knees, squeeze your belly, bring it closer to your chest. So idu neenga konjam careful ah irukanum. Na enna solrena, when I say bring your knees closer to your chest, ipdi pogum namba odambu. So in the tailbone enna aguna, you will go up like this. That's wrong. Make sure your tailbone is placed on the mat. Even if you're here, that's okay. Towel mari one eduthukonga. You can take a belt or a towel or whatever you have. Okay, tailbone, make sure your tailbone is touching the mat. Pull it closer. Okay, அப்படியே இருங்க. So make sure you squeeze your tummy இருக்கும், அதை அப்படியே squeeze பண்ணி thighs, upper thighs வந்து tummyல touch ஆகணும். அப்படியே you can be there. So once you're comfortable, so be in this pose for say 10 to 15 seconds. ஒரு 5 sets பண்ணுங்க. Because இந்த 5 sets வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படி பண்ண போகிறீங்கன்னா, all you do is you just have to bring this lower and lower, like closer and closer, reminding yourself that the tailbone should be on the mat. Once you are comfortable, you can interlock your hands. Again, make sure your tailbone is on the mat. Keep pulling your knee closer to your chest. Keep pulling, but make sure when you are pulling closer, you don't go up like this. Okay, just there. So 5 sets, 15 seconds hold. Then once you are done this, in the warm up, basically warm up for the tailbone, ippo what you can do is you will hold. Then this is self massaging your back. All you have to do is come up like this, come up, go down, come up. Idu vandu entire back it will massage. It will massage your spine, your upper portion of your back and your tailbone basically. Okay, you will do this like what, 7 counts, 8 counts of 3 sets. You will finish that. Then once you are done, the next asana is Setu Bandhasana. Lie down on the mat, fold your leg like a mountain shape. Your leg should be like a mountain shape. Okay, bring this heel a little closer to your butt. Now try to hold your heel. If you are not able to hold your heel, that's fine. Kai inga irukna, let it be. Inhale, exhale and go up like this. Okay, Exhale and go up. Make sure the pressure is on the shoulder, not on the neck. So generally what happens, we tend to put pressure on the neck. But make sure you're putting the pressure on the shoulders, both shoulders, and not on the neck. Okay? Holding your heel. Inhale. Exhale. Go up. The chest should come closer to the chin. Hold for 5 seconds. Inhale, exhale you can do. Exhale and go down again. So you have to remember 3 things when you're doing this. If you can touch the heel with your hand, well and good. If not, also not an issue. You will gradually get there. The second thing is no pressure on your neck. The pressure should be on your shoulder. That is the second thing that you need to remember. The third thing that you need to remember is chin should touch your center portion of your chest basically. So remember this very much. So this you can do like 5 sets and hold each set for say 5 to 6 seconds in Setu Bandhasana. I will show it again to you. Okay. Inhale. Exhale and go up. Okay. Hold. Four, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Okay. This is done. Now the next asana that we are going to do is called as Parivarta Janu Sirsasana. So this is nothing but this will help you again on your sides as well as your lower tailbone basically, because we sit every day and we need to give a little bit of massage. So all you have to do is right leg, send it to the right side of your body basically, and fold your left leg. Bring your heel closer to your groin region. Okay. Inhale, exhale comfortably yourself. Now, okay. If you are able to hold your toes with the help of your hand, with the help of fingers, that's well and good. If not, hold your shin. Okay. Now what you are going to do is, let me first hold my shin and show you, demonstrate it. All I do is I hold my shin or ankle or wherever I am comfortable and try to place my elbow on the mat. Okay. If not, that's fine. First place the elbow on the mat, then go take this hand around and try to grab the right leg. If you're not, that's fine. If you're not able to hold it, that's fine. Place your hand on your hip. Now this is very important. It's fine if you can place your hand here, that's fine. If you're placing your hand on the shin, that's also fine. But make sure your body is not like this. Okay? Open your chest and look up. This is the key. This is fine, all these are all fine. But your body should not be like this. Your body should be open, looking up. The chest should be open. Okay? And you will come up. So once you are comfortable there, then gradually, after days of practice, say after 1 week of practice, then you can go for the full stretch, holding your toes, or you can say put a towel or whatever you have, a strap or something, put it, hold like this, then go and try to grab. So while going you can go like this, but once you're there, open the chest. And then relax, leave it. Okay, now on the other side. Both sides, same logic. Hold the shin at first, hold the ankle wherever you're comfortable. The other hand on your sides of the right, basically the love handle, and open your chest nicely. Don't be like this, open the chest and be there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a strap, fold it, hold nicely. Okay, now hold, open. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Done. So this is also done. So this will help your tailbone as well when you go to the side. This will relax the entire lower region of your tailbone, this exercise basically. So what happens, you go to the right, go to the left, all of this. And the other thing was, in the warm-up I missed to include the twist, which, sitting in Sukhasana, all you have to do is place your, this is warm-up, okay, before you do any of these exercise. Place your left hand on your left leg, right hand at the back. Inhale, exhale, turn and look back, keeping the spine straight. Relax. Now same logic, inhale, exhale, turn back, look at your shoulder, the left shoulder if you can, or if you can only twist so much, that's fine, but make sure your spine is straight. And relax. So practice this first, these three basic asanas that I've just showed you, and let me know how it is working. If it is not working for you, if you still have a little bit of pain in the back, do let me know. I will come up with another variation, but this will definitely help. And all the best, keep practicing, and if there is anything, please text me or do call me. Okay, thank you Ranjitana, and all the best. Bye.